Hello, welcome to lesson 6 of creating virtual football app using Radzin and Radzin Blazor Studio. So in this lesson, we shall be looking at customization of edit application user's page. So now I'm back to Radzin and I'm going to double click on edit application user page to open it. Okay, this is how it looks like now. And all I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on add application user. First of all, I'll go to excuse me, outline, and I'm going to select the rows for first name, the row for last name, the row for WhatsApp number, up to the row for the photo control. You can see they are all selected. Then I'll right click on the selection and I'll click on copy. Then I'll go back to edit application user page. I'll click on it. I'll go back to the top of the outline. I'll right click on from 0. Then I'll paste. Now after pasting, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to now select the row for the button. I'll right click on the row for the button. I'm going to select cut this time around. Then I'll right click on from 0 again. Then I'll click on paste. Then one more thing, I want to check the properties. It is user.email. Okay, so this user the WhatsApp number. Okay, let's run the app and see what we've got. Yes, this time around I'm going to enter. Okay, let me enter as admin. Password is admin. Then I click login. Then I'm going to users. I'll click on users. Let me click on nigerbobo@yahoo.com. There is no photo attached to that, so let me update the photo. So let's just go to pixabay.com. So let's search for passport photo. Passport photo. Okay, let me use the first one. I'll say save image as. Okay, wait. Let me save as. Okay, I don't like this. Let me go to, okay, let me log in. Continue with Google. Let me search for passport photo. Let me search for human photo. Let me use this. Free download. Click on free download. Let me look. Let me select this smallest dimension, 426 by 640. Okay, that is the image. So I'll go back to edit application user. I'll say choose. I'll click on choose. I'll go to my downloads folder, and that is the photo. I can double click on it. Then I click save. So let's confirm in the application database. This virtual link DB. ASP.NET users. Select top 1000 rows. So the two fields now have images. So thank you for watching.